Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The euro-dollar pair has added 0.5% in the last session. The RSI has shifted sharply into the positive area. Apple stock has added 1.1% in the last session. The CCI shifted into neutral territory. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is strengthening and is currently positive. The Aussie dollar pair has added 1.6% in the last two sessions. The ADX transitioned sharply into positive territory.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
DBS Bank of Singapore has officially announced the arrival of its digital assets exchange, with trading to start next week. The Dow and S&P 500 dipped, while the Nasdaq was modestly higher, as investors looked for signs of progress in fiscal stimulus talks to buttress the economy. The European Union's executive laid out contingency plans for a no-deal Brexit at the end of the year to minimize disruption to travel after talks between British and EU leaders failed to break an impasse.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The German CPI will be released at 700 GMT, the U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment at 1500 GMT, the German Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 700 GMT, the UK Consumer Inflation Expectations at 930 GMT, the Canadian Capacity Utilization at 1330 GMT, and the UK CFTC GBP NC Net Positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.